The feds is watching, niggas plotting to get me. Will I survive, will I die? Come on, let's picture the possibility giving me charges. Lawyers making a grip, I told the judge I was raised wrong, and that's why I blame shit. Was hyper as a kid, cold as a teenager. On my mobile calling big shots, on the scene major, packing hundreds in my drawers. Fuck the law, bitches I fuck with a passion. I'm living rough and raw, catching cases at a fast rate, balling in the fast lane. Hustle till the morning, never stop until the cash came. Live my life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live my life as a boss player, cause even getting high, these niggas got me tossing shit. I put the top down, now it's time to floss my shit. Keep your head up, nigga, make these motherfuckers up. A game sharper than the motherfucking razor blade. Save money, bring bitches, bitches bring lies. One nigga's getting jealous and motherfuckers die. Depend on me like the first and 15. They might hold me for a second, but these folks won't get me. We got 4 niggas and low riders and ski masks screaming thug life. Every time they pass, all eyes on me. Little life of a thug nigga until the day I die. Little life of a boss player, all eyes on me. I let them niggas know it's on for life. Don't let the west side ride the night. All eyes on me. Little life is a thug nigga until the day I die. Little life is a boss player, all eyes on me.
I started this gangsta shit, and it's the motherfucking thanks I get. Hello.
I let them niggas know it's on for life. Don't let the west side ride the night.
Relax and take notes while I take totes of the marijuana smoke. Throw you in a choke, gun smoke. Biggie smokes the mayor, the rap slayer, the hooker layer. Motherfucker, say your prayers. Hail Mary, full of grace. Smack the bitch in the face, take her.